can learn to speak English at your home. If you read loudly, it really must give a lot of energy to your tongue to speak English language properly. Hello my young minds, most welcome to all of you to an amazing session. Does your English speaking need some correction? Then it's alright, you have clicked a right and appropriate videos. Do you know you can learn to speak English at your home, but for this you need to get some authentic ideas. Here or in these videos I am just going to reveal some strategy and ideas that really must gear up your English speaking. So I request all of you to be concentrated in every words that are being discussed in this video. It may be 4 or 5 strategy that must be applied in your daily life while you are approaching your learning journey. Here the first strategy is reading out loudly. Do you know, whenever your mood is to read any English literature book and you need to build some extra confidence in English speaking, then do you know every expert English speaking trainer has given formative recommendation that reading the silently only train your mind, but if you read loudly, it really must give a lot of energy to your tongue to speak English language properly. So I recommend to all of you pick up any English book and start to read so that your speaking may be improved day by day. And the second idea, or you may say the second strategy, is that chatting with your friends in English. It means while you are online and when you are chatting with your friends, you should use only English sentences. I think learning with friends makes our life more enjoyable, and in these days every people are addicted to digital gadgets, and do you know chatting with friends is now common incident. So whenever you are chatting, you need to construct only English sentences. Really, by this way you can perform betterly if you chat in English language. Idea number 3 is that memorize your favorite movie lines. You all have interest watching movies, but I recommend you that whenever you have intention to watch any movies, I recommend you to watch only English movie, and those movies in which the voice is subtitled. Do you know the voice subtitle in those movies really give you some little more concepts in your mind that how you will construct English sentences and how you will utilize it while you are speaking with another party. So I suggest all of you to watch Hollywood movies in which voice is really subtitled. Idea number 4 is just stand in front of the mirror and start to practice English speaking. Do you know this task is very hard, and this can sensitize you when this action is being activated in front of the mirror. Talking to yourself like mental disorder is a boon to bring out much improvement in your speaking. But you have to believe that if you do this action approximately 4 times and 5 times in front of the mirror and start to practice in English, this really must build a lot of confidence in your consciousness. And do you know, whenever you go to speak on the podium and when you watch a lot of crowd, sometimes you may forget your word and sentence, and how to deliver your speech in front of the mass people is really so difficult. But this difficult can be erased by a simple method, and this method is just standing in front of the mirror and start to practice English sentences day by day so that you can improve your skill in your sending order. And so I strongly recommend you that whenever you are going to practice to English speaking, you need to stand in front of the mirror. Idea number 5 says that do and learn. Do you know any work any skill, any education can never be achieved without action. I think action is the main criteria by which you can get any skill and any education. So if you want to learn English speaking, then you have to do and learn. I think instinctive and evolutionary practice of English speaking may bring much improvement to the learners, and really it will provide you much confidence while you are speaking to the public. My dear friend, if really your intention is to command English language, you have to do it. You have to speak English without fear. So English experts say this quote, do and learn. It means you have to do it first, then concepts come in your mind. I think here all these strategy that was spoken in front of you are really beneficial. And if you apply these ideas in your life while you are practicing to speak English language, really these ideas give you much power to boost your English speaking. Thank you.